What's up, guys? It's Wiqed with American Eagle Harley-Davidson, bringing you the new bike of the week. And we've got this kick-ass, custom painted by American Eagle Harley-Davidson, Killer Bee Custom Prospect Gold Road Glide Special. Check it out, man. It's got gold leaf in it. It's got honeycomb in it. It is just an amazing paint job. It's one of a kind, truly one of a kind. It is powered by the 114 Milwaukee 8 engine, 6-speed transmission. You've got the single touch saddlebags. Does come with a traction control, RDRS, hold feature, tire sensors, rain mode, you name it, it's got it. If you want to come in and take this kick-ass, one-of-a-kind custom road glide special out, or any of our bikes out on a test ride, come and see Wiqed at American Eagle Harley-Davidson. Boom.